Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now by confirming you have the right role and permissions. This prevents being denied equipment. Once confirmed, retrieve the NVG device, 1 power cell, and 2 spare batteries from inventory or trader. Make sure to equip the harness slot so the unit clips correctly. This prevents animation desync. Move to the designated spawn or vendor terminal to avoid server flags, and open your loadout to attach power. This begins the activation sequence and gets you ready for the next step. Once the unit is powered, you attach the power cell and secure it with the quick lock. You should hear the activation click. Next, open the calibration UI and set brightness between 0 and 100. Start around 50 and raise if too dim. Increase contrast slightly and set gamma to 1.0 to preserve detail. Then test in a controlled dark zone. Stand 1 to 3 meters from a surface, check for bloom, and tweak the IR filter and distance until edges retain clarity without overwhelming flare. Once calibrated, deploy NVG in short controlled bursts so you conserve battery. You should swap cells when power drops below 20% to avoid sudden blackout. Make sure you carry spare cells and a low-intensity headlamp for close work, using white light only when essential to prevent revealing your position. If you encounter flicker or artifacts, reseat the power cell, recalibrate the UI, and restart the device. If problems persist, report the fault to an admin or vendor so you can replace the unit or receive a server.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.